What's up YouTube? I am JoeyJ25. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Nightbot and how to make Nightbot basically a mod in your streams. So yeah, hopefully you guys do enjoy this quick little video. If you guys do, I would really appreciate if you guys smash that like button and also smash that subscribe button. This would really mean a lot to me and let me know that you guys enjoy the content and I want more like it. But welcome to Tutorial Tuesday, where I teach you guys a bunch of things on how to improve your channel or just things you guys did not know. So number one, we're going to talk about Nightbot. Nightbot is a free, easy moderator who just basically keeps the stream from dying. He's the one person who sees you the whole time and just talks and just kind of supports your channel. You get to basically make what he wants to say. You know, you're in control of him. So what you want to do is go on to Nightbot. You're going to want to log into your account, the account you want to do it with. If you're a Twitch streamer, you log into Twitch. If you're a YouTube streamer, log into YouTube. This is mainly for YouTube. I'm showing the YouTube side, but it still works for Twitch. So log in with your YouTube account, and once you do all that, once you're all set up, it should now say you should have a link that pops up. I'm not gonna show you guys because then I have to, my private information will be displayed, so I can't show that. But if I left part channel, right? If I left part channel, it would ask me to. It would say join channel. So if you see join channel, if it didn't ask you to join channel yet, join channel. This will make Nightbot join your channel. It will come up, and then just copy the link and copy that link. Okay, like I said, copy that link that says join channel and paste it here. You guys can see there is my Nightbot right there. So yeah, like I said, if you're beginning, once you log in, if it didn't come up with the link, if it's still asking you to join channel, then click join channel, and then their link should pop up. Copy that link and go paste it as a moderator in YouTube. That's all you gotta do to set up Nightbot. But now let's talk about commands and stuff you guys should have to your streams. So my best advice is to basically have commands that people keep saying over and over in chat. If you're a new streamer, you're obviously not gonna really know what. Obviously, you should definitely get your Discord and socials out there as much as possible. You should also have reminders to keep people reminded of, subscribing and everything like that. But my best advice is try to, if you have been streaming for a while, basically make commands that people say a lot. So I'll show you guys examples. So a lot of things that people say a lot is, for instance, hi, hi, okay, well, welcome to stream, hello, welcome to the stream. Epic, my epic gamer tag, JoeyJ25. How do I enter the giveaway, or how do I enter, just things that people say a lot in the chat. I think one of the biggest things that everybody says, majority of people say, is invite. I think invite is the most popular thing ever used. So you just make a command for that. Especially when you're playing a game or something like that. People are going to say, hey, can I play or something like that, or invite me. So you just make a command for that. But like I said, there's a bunch of things you guys could do with the commands. I basically have a lot of things in here, because just from streaming. So my best advice for commands, just make commands that people make and say a lot, that if you're playing a game you can't answer. Like when I'm playing a game, somebody's going to ask, can I play with you? Well, when I'm in a game, I'll say, I may have this command, Joe will invite you to his game when he has the chance, because I'm in a game right now, I'm focusing up, or something like that, because when people see me play, they want to play and stuff like that. So that's basically, like I said, try to just go off your stream. Try to say, okay, what are things that people say a lot in my stream, which I can make them say less, basically. So now they can get the answer to it easily instead of spamming it in chat, you know what I'm saying? Nightbot does have default commands, but the commands are not really too crazy. No one ever tried the poll, but I don't think the poll ever worked yet. I have no idea. The poll is confusing. Giveaways are awesome. That's how I do my giveaways on Rocket League. You can update the channel membership. Keyword I usually do, I comment dual giveaway, and then everybody's entered right here. Logs just keeps track to everybody, or what was the last thing said in there. Regulars, nothing really crazy there. Song requests, never have to use that yet. And you have timers, which is the best part. You guys definitely got to use timers. Timers is the best part. So timers, like I said, if you're a new streamer, or somebody who doesn't want the chat to ever be dead. So let's just say your commands, because obviously commands, they have to be done by somebody saying it. But let's just say okay, well, you're a new streamer, or you don't really get a lot of viewers, stuff like that. You want to have timers, which timers will help the stream never really die. You can create your own timers. You click add. You create a name for it. So I said wanna be mod, so wanna be mod. Message is what you want it to say. And basically, yeah. So for wanna be mod, it said to become mod, stay active on all streams, and then that's what I would put there. You say how long you want to do it. You every 25 minutes you want it to say, to become mod, stay active. It's not gonna say the wanna become mod part. It's just gonna say the to become mod, stay active. Yeah, that's what it's gonna say. This does not matter. This is like I said, if the stream's really dead, then you can just have that, but that really doesn't matter. Keep that too. And if you want this to be a command, if you just want it to if you just want to summon it, then you can have a command. I usually don't do that. But it's very nice to keep your stream not from dying, I guess, in a way. Have Nightbot just say a couple things every here and there, and things you can do. But that's basically it. That's how you guys use Nightbot. I don't know what integrations is. I don't really think it's really too important. Oh, yeah. The integration, you guys can connect to your Discords and whatever that is. But that's really it, though. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this quick little video on how to use Nightbot. That's really everything to it. Like I said, just copy that link here when you click join channel. Copy that link and then make a mod here. And you guys should be good. You guys should see them in your next stream. If you guys have any problems, let me know down in the comment section down below. But that's going to wrap it up for me. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I'm JoeyJ25, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.